What's up, Civic Familia? This is Vincent here of 271, and in today's 1-minute tech series video, we're going to install the 271 Performance Shift Knob. The leather shift knob is one of the easiest upgrades you can do for your Civic. All you need is a 14mm wrench, 271 leather shift knob, and the included lock collar nut. We're going to start with removing the OEM shift knob. I like to bring it down in the 4th gear, giving the space. Using your fingers, grab the bottom end of the collar right here and pull down firmly. There's the OE lock nut. We're going to loosen this guy up to separate it from the shift knob itself and thread everything out. Lock nut separated, we're going to unthread the OEM shift knob. Don't need that anyway. Keep moving on. Now unthread the OEM lock nut. Take the supplied 271 shift knob lock collar and thread it on. Make sure this side is up. We're going to thread that all the way down. Grab your 271 leather shift knob, thread that guy on. Nice part here is you get to pick the height and put it where you want it. We like ours pretty low, so we're going to get it pretty close to that lock nut. Once you're almost there, get it oriented in the direction you want, and then tighten the lock nut against the bottom of the shift knob. Once that's nice and snug, grab your collar, pull it right back up so it snaps into place, and you're done. And just like that, no more melting hands with the OEM metal shift knob. Cool comfort with a 271 leather shift knob. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you guys next time.